Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing modemobile.com. So if you don't know what this is, we have it here on their website. So basically, they claim that turning the smartphone into the earn phone, we're revolutionizing the smartphone industry with the world's first earn phone powered by Mode's proprietary Earn OS. So as you can see, this is a phone with an entirely different OS system. So for example, Android has the Android system, like Samsung has the Google or Android system, and Apple has the Mac OS or the iOS. So this app or this this cell phone, smartphone, or whatever you call it, has the Earn OS, which basically lets you earn your money while using your phone. So users can earn up to $1,200 per year by simply listening to music, playing games, and more, which is very too good to be true. Since how can you do that with for free? If this phone actually works, it would have made headlines by now. So as you can see, we have it here on Trustpilot, and see the reviews are 4.6 out of 5 stars, which is actually pretty good. So respond back fast, fix the issue. Been using Mode app for a few months now. Overall, it's a solid way to earn extra cash as long as your expectations are realistic, which is too good to be true. Which is true. I mean, I love this app. Easy, legit, amazing, true to their word. Great app, easy cash, and yeah, a lot more. So they also have this app which is Mode Mobile. Yeah, that's it. And they can also earn money just by using or listening to music and watching videos. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.